Hello everyone. We're excited to introduce the materials page in partnership with Airtech, leader in advanced composite tooling materials. In this quick video, we'll explore the Aibuild library. First, access the library by opening the platform, click on Materials, and here we are. You can filter materials by feedstock type. Select a material to see specs and print settings, but you can also create your own. Just press Add Material to get a template with generic values, then customize the info and print settings. You can also duplicate them or just update them. Our library's materials are developed in close collaboration with trusted partners and tested in our R&D lab, ensuring the best settings for your toolpaths. On the Projects page, you can set up the right material for your workflow, automatically adjusting printing temperatures, layer interpass management, and toolpath computation. That's it. Thank you for choosing Aibuild.